Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do voiceover on Instagram Reel, alright? So it's pretty simple, and Instagram Reels is a new feature which is provided by Instagram to its user. So make sure to update your Instagram to the latest version so you guys can also receive this feature, alright? Now let me show you guys how you guys can do voiceover in Instagram Reels. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on. First step, what you want to do is click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen and choose the video which you want to upload. So I want to upload this video, so I'm going to click on next. Now you can only upload video in Instagram Reel which is below 1 minute, alright? So if the video is below 1 minute, then Instagram is automatically going to ask you, do you want to post it as a reel or as a post? So click reel and click on continue. And on the next step at the top, you can see the microphone looking icon. You can click on the microphone looking icon, and over here there's like a red button. As you guys can see, you can click on it and do voiceover. So I can click on it and do voiceover like this, and if it is done, I can click on the red button again and it'll stop. I can click on done and the voiceover is gonna be added over here just like this. Now I can click on next over here and click on share, and this video will be shared on my Instagram as Instagram Reel with my voiceover. So yeah, that's how you guys can do voiceover in Instagram Reel. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.